Children, classify the following food item. First one, food items from plants. Food items from animals. Food items from plants. Carrot, coconut oil, radish, potato, brinjal, lady's finger, drumstick and cucumber. Food items from animals. Fish, egg, milk, meat, butter, buttermilk, ghee. Next one, tabulate the given food items according to the cooking methods: boiling, steaming, roasting, frying. Boiling, rice, milk, dal. Steaming, idli, puttu, idiyappam. Roasting, popcorn, groundnut, nut. Frying, buri, murukku, fish. Children, next one, try to answer. First one, write any two cooking methods that your mother follows. Steaming, roasting. Say true or false. You should wash your hands before cooking. True. Vegetables and fruits should be washed after cutting. True. Children, next one, write any 5 raw and cooked food. First one, raw food: carrot, nuts, tubers, tomato and fruits. Cooked food: rice, egg, fish, pongal, vadai. Students, write true or false. Write true or false. Number 1, earlier people cooked their food in pressure cooker. False. Once again, earlier people cooked their food in pressure cooker. False. Number 2, solar cooker reduces the use of fuel. True. Solar cooker reduces the use of fuel. True. Number 3, pressure cooker is not a cooking utensils. Pressure cooker is not a cooking utensils. False. Students, next one, tick the appropriate one. Tick the appropriate na பொருத்தமான ஆன்சரை இங்க வந்து நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? டிக் பண்ணணும். Food, hygienic food, junk food. Fresh fruits. First one, fresh fruits. Hygienic food ah, இது junk food ah? இது வந்து hygienic food. சமோசா. சமோசா அப்படின்றது ஜங்க் ஃபுட். அப்போ நீங்கள் ஜங்க் ஃபுட்டில் டிக் பண்ணணும். நட்ஸ். நட்ஸ்னா விதைகள். இது ஹைஜினிக் ஃபுட். அப்போ ஹைஜினிக் ஃபுட்டில் நீங்கள் டிக் பண்ணுங்கள். பானிபூரி. பானிபூரின்றது ஜங்க் ஃபுட். வெஜிடபிள் சாலட். ஹைஜினிக் ஃபுட். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். Students, next one, write yes or no. Junk food is good for health. Junk food is good for health. Junk food நமக்கு உடம்புக்கு நல்லதா? No. அப்போ ஆன்சர் வந்து no. Second one, you should wash your hands before and after eating. Yes. You should wash your hands before and after eating. Answer வந்து yes. Students, book exercise, page number 65, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is an easily digested food. Dash is an easily digested food. Options, idli or biryani. Students, which one is correct? Yes, idli is the correct answer. So, idli is an easily digested food. IDLY, idli. Second one, we should avoid eating dash food. We should avoid eating dash food. Options, junk food or fresh. Which one is correct? Junk food is the correct answer. We should avoid eating junk food. Okay, students. Next one, fill in the blanks. Try to answer. World Hunger Day is observed on dash. World Hunger Day is observed on. Answer, May 28. Second one, we can preserve pickle by dash. We can preserve pickle by pickling. PICKLING, pickling. Okay, students. Roman 1, choose the correct answer. Roman 2, fill in the blanks. Roman 3, match the following. Roman 4, write true or false. First one, choose the best answer. Number 1, which one can be eaten as raw food? Students, which one can be eaten as raw food? Can you guess the answer, students? Yes, you are right. Carrot is the correct answer. Carrot can be eaten as raw food. Students, second one, uncooked food is called. Uncooked food is called. Options, A, junk food, B, hygienic food, C, raw food, D, cooked food. A, junk food, B, hygienic food, C, raw food, D, cooked food. Students, uncooked food is called raw food. C is the correct answer. Number 3, solar cooker reduces dash. Solar cooker reduces dash. Options, A, air pollution, B, water pollution, C, land pollution, D, noise pollution. Students, which one is correct answer? Yes, air pollution. Air pollution is the correct answer. Solar cooker reduces air pollution. Number 4, which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Students, which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Options, rice, cereals, fish, fruits. Students, fruits is the correct answer. Fruits is the correct answer. 5, we can avoid food wastage by. We can avoid food wastage by. Options, A, giving to the needy, B, eating more than we need, C, buying extra food, D, throwing in a dustbin. Which one is correct answer, students? Yes, A is the correct answer, giving to the needy. Students, once again, which one can be eaten as raw food? Which one can be eaten as raw food? Carrot. Uncooked food is called raw food. Uncooked food is called raw food. Solar cooker reduces air pollution. Solar cooker reduces air pollution. Which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Fruits. Last one. We can avoid food wastage by giving to the needy. Giving to the needy. CARROT, carrot. Raw food, RAWFOOD, food. Air pollution, AIR, air. POLLUTION, air pollution. Fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Giving to the needy, GIVING, giving to the NEEDY, giving to the needy. Students, next one, fill in the blanks. First one, dash gives us energy to work and play. Dash gives us energy to work and play. Raw food or junk food? Which one is correct? Raw food gives us energy to work and play. Raw food is the correct answer. Second one, cooked food is easily digested or undigested. Students, which one is correct answer? Yes, digested. Cooked food is easily digested. Third one, pressure cooker is one of the dash utensils. Pressure cooker is one of the dash utensils. A, modern or olden. Students, which one is correct answer? Yes. Pressure cooker is one of the modern utensils. MODERN, modern utensils. Number 4. We need pure air, protected water and dash food for our healthy life. We need pure air, protected water and dash food for our healthy life. Junk or hygienic? Which one is correct? Hygienic is the correct answer. We need pure air, protected water and hygienic food for our healthy life. Hygienic, HYGIENIC, hygienic. Last one, we make idiyappam by dash method. We make idiyappam by dash method. Students, boiling or steaming? Do you remember? Do you remember? Yes. We make idiyappam by steaming method. STEAMING, steaming method. Students, next one, match the following. Grapes, raw food. Mixture of vegetables, salad. Electric rice cooker, modern utensil. Earthen pot, olden utensil. Less fatty food. Less fatty food, food during illness. Food during illness. Right? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Biryani is a raw food. Biryani is a raw food. This statement is wrong. So the answer is no. Frying is a method of cooking. Frying is a method of cooking. This is the correct statement. So the answer is yes. We can cook rice on a tawa. We can cook rice on a tawa. This statement is wrong. So the answer is no. டவால வந்து நம்ம ரைஸ் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, குக் பண்ண முடியாது. Number 4, cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. Cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. Yes. Last one. Consuming too much oily food is bad for our health. Consuming too much oily food is bad for our health. Yes, this statement is correct. So the answer is yes.